custom hood light install for the 2019 GMC Sierra. Welcome back, everyone. Have you thought about customizing your truck a little bit? There's a lot of LED light options available these days. We've just installed what's called a dynamic starts scan LED. You'll notice it's attached to the hood here. It runs across the entire hood and around. And installation, you can buy these kits directly off of a lot of websites or Amazon itself. We purchased ours from Amazon for about $21, which is a really good price. Very easy install. We've taken the wires, run them up through the hood here, and I've just left them tucked out a little bit so that you can see it runs through the inside of the hood down to the bottom of the hood, and then we've actually put a wire loom down, and it then runs over to our ground on the battery and inside our fuse box. Again, this is a 2019 Sierra 2500. We're actually using fuse 15, which is our trailer lights. It's a 20 amp fuse. The key with this, if you do decide to use this fuse, the key is that it will only have power when ignition is on. If you remote start it, the light will start up. And then we'll show you a little view of this with the hood open, and we're going to close the hood and show you a view of that as well. Okay, as I mentioned, you do need to have ignition on, so we're going to remote start this just so that you can see the light. And we are during the day, so it's going to be brighter at night. So of course, you lock your doors, hit your remote start. And it's just a nice little accent that you can see that runs right across the entire hood. Very inexpensive, just gives you that little bit of a custom touch. You can install it yourself, just if you're not comfortable with working with the electronics. Be very careful, you don't want to fry anything. Get someone to give you a hand, but it is easy enough that you can do as a DIY if you know some of the basics. Here's a nighttime shot of the lights for you. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully it gave you some ideas, and we'll see you back at the channel soon.